Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the top-rated products that everyone is talking about. Today, we are thrilled to bring you an exciting countdown of the best-selling lighting and electrical products on Amazon. These items have been lighting up homes and powering devices, making life brighter and more convenient for countless customers. Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore these must-have products that are leading the way in the market. Are you ready to explore the next marvel on our list? At number 5, we have the NOCO GCP115 AAC port plug. This isn't just any power inlet socket. It's a versatile, rugged, and waterproof solution for all your electrical needs. Whether you're powering up a car, boat, truck, or RV, this plug has you covered. Imagine this: a 125-volt power inlet socket with a 16-inch integrated outdoor extension cord, ready for any situation. From industrial applications to everyday electrical tasks, this plug ensures seamless power delivery. Its pressure-fit, rubberized cover stands guard against the harshest elements, making it perfect for outdoor use. No more worries about rain, snow, or dust compromising your power connections. But that's not all. This AC port plug is engineered for peak performance. With heavy-duty 14 AWG copper wiring, it delivers maximum power flow, ensuring your devices receive the power they need. The full-sized AC port prongs enhance conductivity, making every connection efficient and reliable. Ease of installation? Absolutely. The NOCO GCP1 is a plug-and-play wonder. Its simple, flush-mount flanged design fits into a 2-inch hole size effortlessly. No cable modifications, no hand wiring. Just mount it, plug it, and you're good to go. It's the epitome of convenience. Versatility is another hallmark of this power inlet socket. Designed for multiple uses, it excels in powering onboard battery chargers, engine block heaters, and outdoor electrical outlets. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or setting up a reliable power source for your equipment, this plug is your go-to solution. In a world where reliability and performance are paramount, the NOCO GCP115 AAC port plug stands out. It's more than just a power inlet. It's a commitment to excellence and durability. Don't miss out on this top-tier electrical marvel. Coming in at number 4, we have a must-have for every vehicle owner and DIY enthusiast: the 140 pieces Fuses Automotive Kit. This comprehensive kit is not just about fuses. It's about ensuring safety, convenience, and readiness for any electrical situation. Crafted with high-quality zinc alloy, these fuses come with a transparent cover and color-coded design for easy identification. No more guessing games or squinting to determine the right fuse. Just a quick glance and you're ready to go. What makes this kit truly exceptional? It includes the 14 most common fuses, both standard and mini. From 5A to 30A, this assortment ensures you have the right fuse for any need. Whether it's a minor repair or a critical replacement, you can count on this kit to have your back. Versatility is key. This fuse kit fits a wide range of vehicles: cars, trucks, marine vessels, SUVs, travel trailers, and more. It's designed to meet the diverse needs of modern drivers and adventurers alike. Remember, using the correct amp fuse is crucial to protecting your vehicle and electronic equipment from short circuits and overloads. This kit makes it easy to always have the right fuse on hand, enhancing safety and performance. Packed with 140 pieces, including 70 standard and 70 mini fuses, plus 2 fuse pullers, this kit ensures you're well prepared. Each amp rating comes in a set of 10, providing ample supply for all your needs. In essence, the 140 pieces Fuses Automotive Kit is about preparedness and peace of mind. It's about having the right tools at the right time. For anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's electrical integrity, this kit is an indispensable addition. Now, let's dive into the number 3 spot on our countdown of best-selling lighting and electrical products on Amazon. Introducing the Car Cigarette Lighter Splitter, a powerhouse of convenience and efficiency, designed to transform your vehicle's charging capabilities. Imagine turning your car's single cigarette lighter socket into a multifunctional charging hub. This incredible device features 2 sockets, 2 USB ports, and a Type-C port, all in one sleek, compact unit. With Quick Charge 3.0 technology, It powers your devices up to more than 95% within just 1 hour. Whether you're on a solo trip or traveling with family and friends, this splitter ensures everyone stays charged and connected. Versatility meets functionality with its 360-degree swiveling head. Suitable for all types of cigarette lighters, this design provides unparalleled convenience and efficiency. No more fiddling with bulky chargers. Just adjust, plug in, and go. The sleek design blends seamlessly with your car's interior, while reducing wear and extending the life of your equipment. Safety and intelligence are at the forefront with the LED voltage display. This smart feature provides real-time voltage detection, displaying the status of your car battery. A voltage range of 11.6 to 14.8 volts indicates all is well. Below 11.6 volts, your battery needs attention. Above 14.8 volts, it's time to check your vehicle's voltage system. This vigilant monitoring ensures you avoid unexpected power issues on the road. Installation is a breeze with the smart chip providing multiple safety protections. From short circuit to overcurrent, from overcharge to temperature protection, this splitter has you covered. Its heat dissipation function maintains optimal temperature, ensuring safe, long-term use. The car cigarette lighter splitter boasts wide compatibility, perfect for 1224V vehicles. Whether it's your dashcam, smartphone, car refrigerator, vacuum cleaner, or air purifier, this splitter handles it all. Its wireless design, flexible rotation, and stable installation mean no more interruptions, even on the bumpiest roads. In summary, the car cigarette lighter splitter is not just a charger. It's a revolutionary upgrade to your car's electrical system. Stay powered, stay safe, and stay connected with this essential automotive accessory. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling lighting and electrical products on Amazon? Well, don't be left in the dark. Light up our channel by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon to stay current with all our electrifying updates. At number 2 on our countdown of best-selling lighting and electrical products on Amazon, we present a true powerhouse in car charging technology, the AINOPE 67 5W car charger USB-C fast charging adapter. This compact marvel is designed to redefine your on-the-go charging experience, harnessing the power of PD45 and QC3.0. This charger delivers an impressive 67.5 watts of maximum output. Imagine charging your MacBook, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, or iPhone 15 Pro Max Plus at lightning speed. The 45-watt PD port is 10 times faster than a standard 2.4A charger, taking your devices from 0 to full in record time. And the 22.5-watt Quick Charge 3.0 port? It powers your devices from 0% to 80% in just 35 minutes. Fast, efficient, and incredibly powerful. But speed isn't the only game changer here. The AINOPE charger boasts uninterrupted fast charging for 2 devices simultaneously. Thanks to integrated superconductor technology, you get dual-channel fast charging without any power splitting. Whether you're using the 45-watt USB-C port or combining it with the 22.5-watt USB-A port, your devices will receive the optimal charge they need. Compact, yet mighty, the 2024 upgrade features a sleek zinc alloy body. This tiny, thumb-sized charger fits snugly into most cigarette lighters, freeing up space while adding a touch of aesthetic elegance. Its solid, full zinc alloy construction ensures durability and protection against overheating, keeping your devices safe and sound. Compatibility? Unmatched. From iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 to MacBooks, Google Pixels, and even the Kindle Fire HD10, this charger handles them all with ease. Whether you're driving a car, truck, or RV, the AINOPE charger is ready to keep your devices powered. Safety is paramount. The upgraded metal design of this 12V car charger ensures it won't burn out, offering superior protection over plastic counterparts. Certified by multiple safety standards, it guards against overcurrent and overcharging, safeguarding your valuable devices. And here's the cherry on top: lifetime-friendly customer service from AINOPE. Any issues? Just reach out to their authorized store and they'll provide a satisfying solution. This isn't just a purchase, it's a commitment to exceptional service and quality. The AINOPE 67 5W car charger is more than a charging adapter. It's an essential travel companion, designed to keep you connected and charged no matter where the road takes you. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 product in our countdown of best-selling lighting and electrical items on Amazon. Presenting the 300 PCs Car Fuse Assortment Kit, the ultimate solution for every vehicle owner. This kit is a marvel of convenience and preparedness, packed with an impressive array of fuses to meet all your needs. Imagine having 160 mini-blade fuses, 90 standard auto fuses, and 50 micro fuses, all in one comprehensive kit. Each fuse is clearly marked with its current specification, ranging from 2A to 40A, and color-coded for easy identification. Need to replace a fuse? The included fuse puller makes it a breeze. But that's not all. The design of this kit is both thoughtful and practical. Recognizing the higher demand for certain fuses, we've increased the quantity of commonly used specifications like 10A, 15A, 20A, and 25A. This means you're less likely to run out of the fuses you need most, making it a perfect backup fuse box for cars, RVs, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. Quality is paramount, and this kit doesn't disappoint. Made from environmentally friendly plastic and zinc alloy, these fuses are built to last, ensuring reliable performance in any situation. Whether you're on a cross-country road trip or just commuting to work, this kit has got you covered. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included instructions. No more guesswork or confusion. Just follow the clear steps to replace and install your fuses correctly. It's user-friendly and designed for everyone, from seasoned mechanics to everyday drivers. Versatility, quality, and ease of use. The 300 PCs Car Fuse Assortment Kit embodies all these qualities and more. It's not just a collection of fuses, it's peace of mind on the road. When it comes to safeguarding your vehicle's electrical system, this kit stands unrivaled. So there you have it, the #1 product in our top 5 countdown. The 300 PCs Car Fuse Assortment Kit, your ultimate companion for automotive safety and reliability. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling lighting and electrical products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.